case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Wiley, however, taking the matter further, filed an appeal to the Minnesota Supreme Court, where a different outcome was reached. In a twist, the Supreme Court ruled that disparate legal codes and provisions were being misapplied and misinterpreted. Wiley argued the operation from Berg's perspective, using the more tenant-friendly state statute which allows tenants to sue for wrongful eviction, whereas Wiley's argument underlined that only a landlord was allowed to initiate the process of eviction. At the center of the legal tussle was Minn, St. C. 566, two subsections of which were the bedrock of arguments from both parties. Herein, Berg argued, the law included tenants, while Wiley insisted it only applied to landlords. The Supreme Court tilted towards the latter argument and reversed the rulings of the lower courts, emphasizing that the court-endorsed remedy for such disputes wasn't intended to cover diverse aspects such as abandonment, material breach of a lease agreement, and voluntary waste. The Supreme Court ruled that the remedy was intended only to cover disputes over possession. In a significant decision, the Supreme Court stated that the plaintiff's proper recourse was to action for ejectment, a traditional common law remedy in district court where all legal and equitable remedies were accessible. The reversal of lower court's decision marked a redefine of the action route for such tenant-landlord disputes, henceforth inviting a more comprehensive court-controlled approach. The case served as a landmark, redefining legal provisions and their interpretations related to landlord-tenant disputes.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.